Welcome. Today we are going to show you how to fully integrate iNELS wireless devices including ELAN RF103, ELAN RF204, RFTC3, Mini Bridge MV1 into the Sky platform using the Inspinia interface. This integration allows for wireless control of lighting, shutter, HVAC without complex cabling using the Sky platform configuration page. So that means you can control all the wireless devices from the Inspinia touchscreen or through the SkyThings mobile application. So now I'm going to show you the step by step how to connect iNELS wireless. So for that, first you have to log into the Sky platform configuration page. So you can log in there, and then if you are into the configuration page, you can go and add iNELS wireless from the list here. And after that, you have to select the gateway. You also have option to search the gateways in the network, and also you can add it manually. So after adding that, you can add the iNELS wireless devices from the list. So I have here RF Dell. So this is the dimmer from iNELS. I am also adding switching actuator, which is connected to light. Another one connected to valve. I also have a shutter actuator, RFJA. Okay, so now we have added all our wireless devices into the Sky platform, or now saving it into the ELAN RF. And after that, you have to uh, take these units into the design plane to wire it with multi-protocol or Inspinia UI to control. So now I am adding all these to the design plane. So first for the shutter, I use the shutter UI. I connect the terminals up, down, stop, and the position, and giving back the feedback. In the wiki.enels.com page, you can find all the description of the parameters inside each wireless devices, so you will not get confused. Then, so this is all the wiring you have to do in the shutter, and then we have the dimmer. So I wire the on and off and the brightness. Now connecting the feedback. And also I can use a toggle or switch to control the lights connected to switching actuator. I can name the light, and then I wire it to the switching actuator. That's all. So it's pretty simple that you can connect all the UI object to the iNELS wireless, save, and then publish. You will find all the UI object in the Inspinia touchscreens, and then from there you are able to control all the iNELS wireless devices from there. So this is a very basic control of iNELS wireless using Inspinia screen. So to go for the advanced control, you can use any multi-protocol from the list here, and then you can control the wireless devices. So for example, if you have Modbus HVAC system, you can connect those Modbus HVAC system and create the logic between the iNELs. So for example, if I have a Modbus setup in this installation, I will create the slave ID. So if it is a cooling valve, and then I wire it. So if I can create any logic between any of these devices. So if my shutter is on, then turn on the valve, or if some devices are on, if heating cooling circuit is on, then you can wire it here. And also you can use the 2-point controller from the SkyPlatform configuration page. You can use some on off using the Modbus integration, and also you can control the valve on off valve from the inners. So there are many options you can control it through inners wireless and the multi protocol integration. So, with this integration, we have now expanded the possibility of integration and control and create logic of Iner's wireless devices through the Skype platform. So, please do try it. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to contact us using our support channel, support@iners.com.